You again. How are you today, Ngo?
I'm good.
Wow, that's good to know. So, are you ready for our today's lesson?
You need to
Yes. Unit 2. What is our lesson? It is
listen. Um,
all about home. Okay, let's say home.
um,
Very good. So, do you have a home, Ngok? Do you have a home?
yes.
Yes. What color is your house or home?
Um, is white.
Wow, your house is it is color white. Wow, that's good to know. So for our lesson for today, we are in unit 2. So this is a new lesson, whereas we will talk about home. So when we say home, it is our house. Home, whereas we will talk about the things that we can see at home. So let's start our lesson. Let's go with our next page. Okay, so for this one, we will learn
Dog.
we will learn some words that we can or the things that we can see at our home. Okay, so let's go with our first picture. Do you
This
know?
is a sofa.
Oh, wow, very good. So this is a sofa. What color is this sofa?
Is pink.
Very good. So let's say it in a complete sentence. Let's say it is color.
This is color pink.
Very good. How about your sofa? Do you have a sofa at your home?
Yes.
Yes. What color is your sofa at home?
Is gray.
Oh, wow. Let's say it is color
Gray.
gray. It is color gray. Very good. Is your sofa big or small?
Hmm. Is big.
Oh, wow, that's good to know. Our sofa, let's say our sofa, it is big. Okay, so next, what object is this?
This a TV.
Very good, TV. What is the abbreviation of the TV? It is
Is
tele.
is television.
Very good. So TV is short for television. So we call this object as television. What color is the television in the picture? What color?
It is a red.
Very good. It is color red. Do you have a television at home?
Yes.
Yes. What color? What color is your television?
This black.
Oh, it is color black. And what what uh do you watch in your television?
Mm,
Do you watch your television?
mm,
Yes or no?
yes.
Yes. What are the things that you watch at your television?
Mm,
Do you
mm,
watch cartoons or do you
uh,
watch what are the things that you watch in your television?
Hmm.
Mm, do you watch animals? Animal Planet? What are the things?
Wow. Uh,
Do you watch movies?
yeah, I like that.
Yes.
I
Oh,
watch the movie.
you watch a movie. Okay, so let's say I watch
I watch
movie.
I watch movie in our television.
Very good. So you watch movies in your television. Very good. So next, let's go with our next one. What do you call this object in our home?
This is a chair.
Chair. Very good. But we call this arm. What do we call this one? This
Um,
is armchair. Very good. So this is an armchair. What color is the armchair?
this uh this is color red.
Color red. Very good. Do you have an armchair at your home? Do you have armchair in your house?
Yes.
Yes. Let's say yes, I have.
Yes, I
Yes.
have.
What color is your armchair?
Huh? It's gray. It's
Color
gray.
white.
Gray.
White. Oh, gray also. Same as your sofa. How many armchairs do you have at home?
Um.
How
Hmm.
many? Only
Um.
one?
um, Only one.
Oh, let's say we only have one armchair.
We only have one on chair.
Very good. Next, let's move on into our next object. What is this?
This is a door.
Very good. This is a door. And what color is the door?
Is brown.
Very good. Let's say it is color
Um,
brown. And do you have a door at your house?
yes.
Yes. How many doors? How many doors do you have?
Mm, oh, three.
Three. Let's say we have
We have three door.
very good. We have three doors. What colors are your doors?
Is black.
Only black? All of your doors are color black? Black doors? We have black doors. Okay, so next, let's move on with our next object. What do you call this? Furniture at home. We call this a mat. Let's say mat. What is this?
Is black.
This is a mat. Very good. What color is the mat?
Is color red and white.
Red. Red and white. Very good. And do you have a mat at your house? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Wow. What color is your mat?
Is Mm, mm,
What color? Is it also color red?
mm, is brown.
Oh, brown mat. How many? Okay, next. How many mat do you have at your house?
It's white.
Only one. Oh, let's say we only have one mat.
We only have one map.
Very good. Next, what is this?
This is a table.
Very good. This is a table. And what color is the table?
It's a table.
What color is the table?
It's brown.
Very good. It is color brown. How about in your house? Do you have a table in your house?
Um, yeah,
Yes. What color is your table?
is white.
Oh, let's say we have a white table.
White table.
Very good. Next, what object is this?
Mm, this is a
Lamp. This is a
lamp.
very good. So we call this a lamp. So ngok. Do you have a lamp in your house?
Yes,
Yes. How many lamps do you have in your house?
is six. Six.
Oh, six. Okay, let's say we have six lamps. Let's read the sentence. We have six
We
lamps.
have six lamps.
Wow, Doraemon. I can see Doraemon. Do you like Doraemon?
Yes.
Yes, Doraemon is so cute. I like Doraemon also. Next, okay, what object is this?
Is
Mm, We call it as
mm,
mirror.
mirror.
Very good. So this is a mirror. So Ngok, do you have a mirror at your house?
Yes.
Yes, we have. And what color is your mirror?
Is darker.
Dark color?
Yes.
Oh, it is dark colored. Okay, so next, let's have our next one. What do we call this object in the picture?
Mm.
This
Is
is we call
picture.
it as, very good. This is a picture. Do you have a picture in your house?
Mm.
I can see in your back. You have a picture at your back. What picture is that? It is a
Is uh,
plant. Very good. How about in this picture? What can you see in the picture?
um,
There are
uh, there are
this one in the picture. What do you call this?
um
These are trees.
tree.
Yeah, so there are trees in the picture. So next, let's go
Tree.
with let's go with our next furniture in our house. What do we call this one?
Window.
Very good. This is a window. And do you have a window in your house?
Mm,
Do you have? Yes,
I have a 20
20
window.
window. Wow, that's a lot. So we have 20 windows. That's so many. Okay, next. Let's go with our next picture. What do we call this part of the house? What do we call? This is the
Well,
wall. One more time, let's say wall.
walls.
Very good. This is the wall. So as you can see in the picture, so the wall is where we hang the picture and is where we can see the window. So for this one, fan two, what is the color of the wall in the picture?
Mm,
What is it? Is color
this is color pink.
pink. How about this one? What color is this?
This is a brown. It's green.
Very good. So it is color pink, brown, and green. Good job. How about your wall at your house, Ngok? What is the color of your wall?
Mm,
Is it brown? What
it's white.
color white? Wall. So we have color white. Oh, wow, it is color white. So we have color white walls. Very good. So next, let's go with our next one. What do we call this one?
Mm,
This is a
uh,
book.
whole case.
Very good. So this is a bookcase. So a bookcase is where we put our books at home. So Ngok, do you have a bookcase in your house?
Um,
Do you have?
uh, gray case.
Oh, you have a gray bookcase?
Yes.
Wow, that's very good. So next, let's have an activity. So let's see if you remember all of those parts or all of those objects that we can see in our houses or home. So let's have this one.
Angry Bird.
Angry Birds, yes. So can you choose a number? Choose a
Mm,
number. Number
was.
number one. Okay.
Mm,
Okay, what part of house is this?
huh? This this is a sofa.
Yeah, what part of house? It is, we call this as the living room.
This
Yes, so a living room. So when we say living room, it is where we can see the sofa, the television, the table, and all of those things. So next, okay, choose another number. What number?
number two.
Two. Okay. Okay, let's look. What part of house is this? This is
It's
the
a bedroom.
bedroom. Very good. Next, choose another number.
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay. So what part of house is this?
This is a dining room.
Dining room. Very good. This is the dining room. Next,
Oh,
choose another
number
egg.
4.
4. Okay, number 4. Oh, what
What is?
is this? Hmm.
Mm, escape.
This is the
Hole.
hall. Yes. So when we say hall, so it is a hallway. Whereas
Mm,
we can see a lot of doors in the hall. Whereas it is a large room, or it is a big room, or an entrance. It is a large space that we can see in our houses, in the school,
mm,
especially in school. There is a large hall in the school where we can see a lot of doors. So it is like an entrance to a place. That is a hall. Next, let's go with our what number? Number 5.
yes.
Okay, what part of the house is this?
Mm, this is a kitchen.
Very good. This is the kitchen. Good job. Next. Do you want to open the gift? Okay, let's go with number 6. Okay, what is this?
This is a door.
Very good. This is a door. So now let's look at the gift.
Close.
Will you give it
One,
or keep
two.
it?
Oh my god.
Will you
Yeah.
you
One,
will lose
two. Yeah. Five.
one half your points. So you will lose your points. Will you keep or
Okay.
give it?
Mm-hmm.
You will keep or give it?
Give.
Yes,
Give.
give. Very good. Next. Number. What number next?
6.
6. Oh, we're finished with number 6. Next
11.
is 7.
7.
Okay. What is this?
This is a TV.
TV. What is the full word of TV?
Mm,
It is the tele.
Vision.
Very good. It is the television. Now let's look for the gift. Okay. Will you give
Golden egg.
golden egg? You have a golden egg, which is 500 points. Will you give it or keep it?
Hanger.
You will keep it?
Mm,
You will
mm,
keep or give?
Give.
Ah, you will
Keep.
give 500 points?
Keep. Give.
Okay. You will keep or give?
Keep.
Okay, you will keep. So you have a 500 points. Very good. So next, let's move with our next number. What is our next number?
Mm,
Number
8.
8. Okay. So what is this?
This is a table.
Table. Very good. So now let's look at the gift. So will you steal 100 points? Will you steal 100 points? My God. Hi. So next number.
Mm,
Number 9. Let's go with number 9. What is this?
This is a 2 chair.
Two
One,
chair.
2,
Chairs. Very
2,
good.
3.
Next. What do we call this one?
This is a mat.
Very good. This is a mat. How about this one? What is
Uh,
this?
this is mm, um mm,
Is it a television?
TV
Are you
TV.
sure? Let's look. This is a
This is
picture. Yes, it is a picture. It looks
mm,
like a TV, yeah, but it is a picture. Next, what do we call this one?
is a sofa. No. It's
Oh,
armchair. Armchair.
armchair. Very good. This is an armchair. Next, what do we
Mm.
call this one?
This is a window.
Very good. This is a window. How about this one?
This is a flower.
These are flowers. Very good. Next, what is this?
This is a uh, bookcase.
Cupboard. So it is a cupboard. So cupboard is different in bookcase. So when we say cupboard, so this is where we put our our
Now,
things, our kitchen things. Like
kitchen.
kitchen utensils, spices, plates. So that is a cupboard. So when we say bookcase, so that is where we put our books. Okay, so next, what is this? What is
Is
this? This is a
this is
me, me,
pizza.
a picture. What do you call this one? Can you see this one?
It um um pizza
It's a me.
pizza
This
pizza.
this is a mirror. This is a mirror. Next. Next, what do we call this one? This is a
It's a lamp.
lamp. Very good. Next. Oh, what do we call this one?
Is
This is a
um uh
wall. This is this is a wall. We call it wall. Next, what is this?
this is a golden.
Garden. Very good. This is a garden. How about this
Mm,
one?
this is a sofa.
Very good. Next. Oh, what is this?
This is a
This
bookcase.
very good. So this is the bookcase. Next, okay, so let's practice more. So for this one, let's look and say. So let's look with number one. What is this?
This is a window.
Very good. So this is a window. How about number two? What is that?
Mm, this is a wall.
Very good. So this is the wall. Good job. How about number three? What is this?
This is the picture.
Picture? Are you sure?
Mm, mm. Zero,
Picture? Picture or mirror?
zero.
Mirror. Very good. One more time. Let's say mirror.
Mirror.
Very good. How about number 4? What is this?
This is a picture.
Very good. This is the picture. How about number 5?
This is a bookcase.
Very good. This is the bookcase. How about number 6?
This is a door.
Door. Good job. How about number 7?
So this is a television.
Television. Good job. How about number 8?
This lamp.
Lamp. Good job. Next, number 9. What do we call this one?
Is sofa.
Sofa. How about number 10?
Is table.
Table. Very good. How about number 11?
Is mat.
Mat. Very good. This is a mat. How about number 12?
Armchair.
Armchair. Very good. So next, let's go with our next activity. So let's look. What is this?
This is a bookcase.
Bookcase. Very good. How about this one? What is this?
This is a mirror.
Very good. This is a mirror. How about this one?
This is a window.
Very good. This is a window. Hmm, how about this one? What is this?
This is a picture.
Picture. Very good. Next one. What do we call this one?
This is a wall.
Very good. How about this one?
This is a armchair.
Armchair. Very good. Next, what is this?
This is a sofa.
Very good. This is a sofa. How about our last picture?
This is a mat.
Perfect. Good job. So next, let's have an activity. So you will match the words in the picture. So let's go with our first picture. What is this? Can you match?
Match. Okay.
Match the picture in the words and say the words.
Zero.
Mirror, very good. So this is letter R.
Okay.
Very good.
Yes.
Ah, there's another mirror. So this is the correct. Yes, this is the correct spelling of mirror. So good job. Next, so let's fill in the blanks. So for example, this one. This
Sofa.
one. Very good, sofa. How about the other?
Picture.
Very good, picture. Next,
Mat.
mat,
Window.
window,
Wall.
wall,
Um. Um. Um.
arm.
Yeah.
Very good, armchair. Next,
Um.
what is this? Say, table.
Table.
Table, very good.
Table.
Yes, good job. How about this one?
Door.
Door. This one.
uh, Mirror.
Mirror. How about this?
This is
Start with letter L. Lam.
Regular.
Very good. And our last one will be
Cock.
book.
Kite.
Very good. Wow. Good job, Ngok. So next. Okay. So for this one, your answers all are correct. Wow. So for this one, Ngok, this will be the end of our lesson for today. So thank you so much for your active participation, Ngok. So you did a great job for today's lesson. So good job in today's lesson. So I hope to see you again soon. And bye bye, Ngok. Thank you so much. You did a great job. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
See you again soon.